Hello, my name is Audrey from Haswell Elementary STLP, and I am going to be doing a division problem. I went to a stable for 5 days and groomed horses. I earned $45 in those 5 days. So let's see how many dollars I earned a day. I'm going to do tally marks to see how much money I earned. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. In those days, I earned $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9 a day.